The 2024 Toyota Tacoma is a highly capable mid-size pickup truck designed to tackle a wide range of adventures. With its rugged styling, impressive off-road capabilities, and a reputation for reliability, the Tacoma has become a popular choice among truck enthusiasts. Under the hood, the 2024 Tacoma offers two powerful and efficient turbocharged four-cylinder powertrains. The entry-level engine produces 228 horsepower and 243 pound-feet of torque, while the upgraded engine delivers 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. Both engines can be paired with either a new 8-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission or a 6-speed intelligent manual transmission with automatic rev matching. Designed for off-road enthusiasts, the Tacoma comes with a variety of features that enhance its capability. The TRD Off-Road and TRD Pro models in particular offer specialized equipment such as Bilstein shocks, an electronically controlled locking rear differential, and multi-terrain select with crawl control. These features enable the Tacoma to conquer challenging terrains with ease. In addition to its off-road prowess, the Tacoma also excels in towing and hauling. With a maximum towing capacity of 6,500 pounds and a maximum payload of 1,709 pounds, the Tacoma is well equipped to handle a variety of tasks. It offers convenient towing features like a trailer brake controller, trailer backup guide, and a digital display mirror to assist in maneuvering trailers. Inside the cabin, the 2024 Tacoma provides a comfortable and functional space for both driver and passengers. Depending on the trim level, it offers various amenities such as cloth or leather seats, a 7-inch or available 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and a JBL premium audio system. The Tacoma also incorporates smart technology, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, a digital gauge cluster, and a smart key system with push-button start. Safety is a top priority in the Tacoma, as it comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. This suite of advanced safety features includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, automatic high beams, and proactive driving assist. Additionally, the Tacoma offers available features like blind spot monitor, rear cross traffic alert, and hill start assist control for added peace of mind. Built with durability in mind, the 2024 Tacoma features a high-strength box steel ladder frame and enhanced components to withstand tough conditions. Its suspension system, including the available multi-link rear suspension, provides improved ride and handling characteristics, whether on or off the road. The 2024 Tacoma offers a range of trim levels to suit various preferences and needs. From the capable SR and SR5 models to the rugged TRD Off-Road and TRD Pro variants, as well as the luxurious limited grade, there's a Tacoma for every type of driver. Additionally, the all-new Trailhunter grade caters specifically to overlanding enthusiasts, with purpose-built features like Old Man Emu suspension and rear external piggyback-style remote reservoirs. In terms of design, the Tacoma exudes a bold and aggressive stance. It showcases signature elements such as a hexagonal grille motif, high-mount headlamps, and integrated roof and tailgate spoilers. With its distinct styling cues and robust construction, the Tacoma stands out on both city streets and off-road trails. Overall, the 2024 Toyota Tacoma combines impressive performance, off-road capability, and a range of features to meet the demands of truck enthusiasts and adventurers alike. Whether you're tackling rugged terrain or cruising through the urban jungle, the Tacoma is ready to take on any challenge with confidence and reliability. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.